I wanna be happy, happy, happy. Day and night, wanna be alright, happy. I wanna be lovely, lovely, lovely. Bold and bright, wanna find my light, lovely. Hold my hand and tell me everything is good. Strike up the band and let's wake up the neighborhood.
Good morning, Rowan. Good morning, Rowan.
Good morning, MIKO.
Veggies are good for you. Tell him, MIKO.
You can't be a superhero without having vegetables.
You are my friend, companion. You make me feel like
Bye, MIKO.
champion.
MIKO, I'm back.
Wow!
Mama, which is the tallest mountain in India?
I don't know. Ask MIKO.
Mount Kongchenjunga.
Thank you, MIKO.
Under the trees, together in starlight.
Wow! Trees are the lungs of our planet. It's time for your football match.
Oh, yeah.
I know you'll be there for me.
Hey, MIKO, today I scored 2 goals.
Ah! Congratulations!
I know you'll be there for me.
Sirius is the brightest star.
Are you serious?
Ages, the dog has been man's best friend. We want to introduce you to man's new best friend. Meet Chip. Chip is a robotic dog that's much more than just a cool gadget. Chip is an interactive pet that's there to greet you at the door. With the smart band, Chip recognizes who his owner is.
Hey, have you seen my other slipper? Have you seen my other slipper?
And shows affection to them when near. Chip is obedient and can follow commands. But he also learns new things, so you can teach him tricks. And the smarter Chip becomes, the more badges he earns. When you like what you see, just press the like button on the band, which can encourage him to behave. Or be a little mischievous. Your choices change Chip's behavior and shapes his personality, so that no two Chips are ever alike. Chip is a connected experience. He has a translator. What is it, Chip? So you can understand his thoughts. He comes with his own smart ball, so you can play fetch and stay active together. He also has sensors, so he can maneuver around obstacles with ease. And with the mobile app, you can feed Chip, which shows you care. And that's important, because when you're in need, no matter it big or small, he's there for you. With his beacon sense technology, Chip is fully aware of his surroundings.
Seriously, no one's seen it? This is like the 5th time.
He even knows how to return to his bed when it's time for a charge, so he never runs out of energy. But most importantly, Chip is a friend. The best kind.
Hi, I am Zenbo.
When are we? Yes.
Woof, 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 woof.
All right.
right, kids. Get over here. Hey, Zembo, let's read The Big Bad Wolf and the Seven Little Sheep.
After the door opened, the postman turned out to be the big bad wolf instead.
I'm the big bad wolf. I'm going to eat you.
Eat her, not me.
My little sheep, cover your face and don't let the big bad wolf find you.
You think I can't find you? I will eat all of you little sheep.
Dad, this story is better than your last book.
Whoa, that's harsh. I guess playtime's over. Daddy's got to go work on his craft.
Fine. Hey, Zembo, let's play fun quizzes.
Do you know how bees communicate with one another? Do they dance?
Yes, they do.
That's right, but they also use smell and sound too.
Hey, Zembo, take a picture.
1, 2, 3, say cheese.
This year I want to do something a bit more grown-up. Ew, too much lips. Hey, Zembo, delete that.
Done. Please let me know if there is anything else I can do for you.
Honey, there's a surprise for you.
Surprise!
Hey, sweetie. Meet MIKO.
Hello, MIKO. You can call me Ed.
Hello, Ed.
Math's tough.
Hey, what are you doing?
Can you help me with my tables?
Tables, furniture with the flat top and...
Oh no, MIKO. I meant multiplication tables, like a table of 4.
Sure, 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 3?
15?
7 times 5?
35.
8 times 4?
38. No, 32.
12 times 12?
144.
Good job. It's time to party.
Good dinosaur woke up in the morning.
Hey, he's not a good dinosaur.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, sweetie.
Why isn't he a good dinosaur?
Because he didn't brush his big teeth. Nighty-night.
Bye, Dad. Wow, it's a beautiful rainbow.
What are the colors of the rainbow?
Red,
Orange,
yellow,
green,
blue,
indigo.
violet.
That's absolutely right, Dad.